Hi everyone, I have a very important update to share with all of you for tomorrow, which is 7th of February 2025. So, as some of you might know, tomorrow is a great day of manifestation. Lot of the planets are in alignment, and tomorrow is the day where you can manifest your heart's desire. Not only that, you can practically manifest anything and everything, even the things which you feel is impossible. Tomorrow you should manifest, you should visualize, you should embody all those emotions which you would be doing when your dreams turns into reality. So be in a very positive vibration all across the day, and especially February month is actually a very magical month. So 7th of Feb, whatever you're doing, just take some time off and do meditation, manifestation mandatory. If you are someone who wants to now change your story, you want to rewrite your own story, tomorrow is the day. Don't forget to take a bath, calm down yourself. You can do scripting, write every details how you want your dream to be fulfilled and come into reality. Visualize that, add emotions, add all your five sensory emotions to the image in your mind, and do that. Most importantly, even after you have done the manifestation, don't keep even a pinch of doubt, pinch of worry how it is going to happen, why it will happen. Dear, you are universe son or daughter. Why will universe not listen to you? And when this planet itself are aligning, if some of you are already part of my channel, you will be knowing that there's another magical portal which is coming up on 22nd of Feb. That is also super manifestation day. You must manifest. Other days, whether you do manifestation or not, really don't, you can definitely manifest any day of the year. You can manifest all 365 days, but this two dates, 7th of Feb and 22nd of Feb, no matter what you're doing, wherever you are, just manifest it. Don't keep any doubts, any fear. 99% of the problem which people face in their life is just because they think too much, they talk too much in their mind, but they're not open to their heart, they're not receptive to their heart. If there is something which is nearest and dearest to your heart, go out and manifest it. You can rewrite your story. And understand another thing, do things which is in highest alignment. Universe will always bring you thing which is for your highest good and for your highest alignment. We are all here for creating our own life. Universe will never restrict any one of us to create and turn our dream into reality, but it should be in alignment with your highest interest, and if there are people who are important for this dream, also for their highest interest. So do manifest tomorrow, happy manifesting, and do share with other. You share information with other people, somewhere the other informations which are also important and crucial for you and crucial for your growth on this earth's journey are also going to be presented to you by the universe. So share and subscribe now. Thank you.